And one thing, and at the end I want to try, okay, let's put it like normal sizes. Okay, okay, all right. And I want to make a last step, and it will be much easier to create it in your plan or your 3D. I want to make it all this I want to hide this in another data level. I want to show this only on data level of fine. To do this, we need to click all what I want to be visible in a fine just, and go to visibility settings and unclick a coarse and medium. So in coarse and medium, this will be hidden. So again, like 1, 2, all right, and this again. This go to here, yeah, click on this and go to visibility or here again. All right, go to the front view, go to visibility on, so then change it to medium. So you can see now I don't have anything. But let's create another extrusion, and it will be just simple box, and it will be really easy to manipulate with this and align it with everything. So okay, sorry, again, from one to another corner, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, finish, go to reference level and click on this. I want to, sorry, on this. All right, and align this. So now it should be, we can change, we can add to base. It doesn't matter, it's just for really simple showing, but I need to uncheck this in fine, so it won't show in fine data level. So go to coarse, it's same, medium same, and go to fine, it will be hidden, this new box, and my main thing, it will show up. So now I think it is really good to now use this, because it's a lot of possibilities. It's simple, it's easy, it's fast, it won't slow down your computer. So in the end, have a million possibilities to create something special, something nice to look. So if you can see like this one or like this one, so I think everything is said about this family. So I hope you like this tutorial, and looking forward to next one, and thank you guys, and goodbye.